Hi my friends and welcome back to our tier portal tutorial, and in this lesson we will learn how to use set and reset button, and let's add it to our HMI. Let's open our screen. And now let's add button here. And hit our start button. And also let's add another one, this our stop button. And my friends, let's change the color of our buttons. So I think it's preferred to use the green for start and the red for the stop button. Let's use the solid here, and let's use this color. No, I think this one. And for the red, as I said before, let's use the red color. Okay, let's use the solid. And okay. And my friends, firstly let's add here our network and then assign the event to our buttons. So let's open our program. Okay, we have 0 and QQ 0. I think we can use it. So let's return to our HMI, open our screen, and open properties. And we have event here, so to add the event, let's choose it from our functions. And firstly, let's use the set bit, press enter, and here we add the and let's use the tag 1. And the same operation for our another button, my friends. Let's open the stop button properties here, and here we use the reset bit and add tag here. Let's use this one, the same for reset. So let's try to start our simulator and watch what happened with our programs. So first let's compile our project. So we have no errors and warnings, and let's first start our PLC. Okay. And now, my friends, let's start our HMI. So, my friends, now let's switch to our main block. Let's pull it down and check our logic. So let's press the start button. Okay, sorry, let's firstly switch wear our glasses firstly. Now let's, okay, stop it. Now you see it's working, and also you see that our previous switch is also changed. So let's start it again. And we have some problems with the logic. So it's not changed from here. Why? And 00 type 1. I think it's the problem belong to connection, because firstly I start our PLC, but we can use the watch table for this. But here, let's wear these glasses. So, my friends, I switch to our watch and force table from here, and you see that our HMI sent a command to our PLC, and when I press the start button, it switched true value. Now you see it's true, and now it's stop. Now let's switch again to our main programs and watch what happened. But before, let's switch to stop. Now let's stop it. Waiting for start. Okay, now it's start mode, but we switch it to stop. You see it's work. Now let's open again our force table and start it again. You see that nothing worked, and I cannot switch to our monitor because the program is hard for my PC, but you can do it by yourself, and you see that it's worked correctly. So, my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you good health and good life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson. So, my friends, now it's switched. So let's press. Now it's worked correctly. So, my friends, that's all. See you in the next lesson.